Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And as this is a part of our program, 9 days toxin loss program, Hunza Tea guided meditation for the health and immunity. See, first understand what is this beautiful fun and visualization meditation. So get comfortable and take your Hunza Tea in your hand. So you are just going to take your Hunza Tea in your hand. Now drink it sip by sip. So when you're drinking the Hunza Tea sip by sip, please remember that Hunza Tea is creating the miracle in your body. Aging is a natural process of life and that can be avoided. But there are foods and drinks that help slow down your aging and also boost your immunity to fight illness. And in this 9 day toxin loss program, this is a very important part so that Hunza tea is going to be consumed at least minimum one time every day. Hunza tea is one of the anti-aging drink and help decreases your risk for illness and age-related problem. Keep on sipping the Hunza tea. Enjoy this tea. The tea is rich in antioxidants and helps to boost your immunity and also beneficial in completely taking care of the issue like blood pressure, arthritis, diabetes, and lot more. And guys, now just feel that beautiful when the insert teas you are taking sip by sip is when it's going inside your body. There is some processes happening. Your body is getting naturally clean. Your body is getting that energy what you want. Please understand. And these are the some amazing benefits of the Hunza tea. Hunza tea is anti-aging properties. It helps to lose the weight. That's why we included in the 9 days program. It helps to boost your body's immune system. We use in the even corona time and every time. So this is every statement now whatever I'm telling, feel that one. It has the antioxidants and properties that can reduce your blood pressure. So feel that your blood pressure is absolutely normal. Your immune system is functioning beautifully. You are coming to the beautiful that BMI that today morning when we done the meditation, when we done the setting of the program first day, we decided to have the perfect figure, perfect shape and the super healthy body. And this will be happen now. It helps to get relief from your indigestion issue. It lowers down your calories, guys. This is such a beautiful, tasty, and amazing drink. It helps maintaining the hemoglobin level of the body. And jaggery is a source of iron. So please follow the steps exactly whatever is shared. It prevents the chronic diseases. It is beneficial for diabetics as it controls your blood sugar level. And it is also helpful for the arthritis. Guys, India is spending so much of money now. So in this meditation, I really want you to be really feel every sip of Hunza tea now. In this 5 to 7 of meditation, just drink every sip. And with every sip, you are just inhaling the health inside and you are throwing out all the stress, tension, negativity. So guys, remember a regular tea, especially morning tea with milks, makes the inner lining of your intestinal wall acidic. And an acidic stomach on a regular basis is the single most significant cause of all kinds of inflammatory and lifestyle diseases, including all diabetes, arthritis, and everything. Complementary to or opposite to that one, Hunza tea is a super drink, a complete anti-aging drink and beneficial for your skin care, weight loss, and diabetes. So guys, take a nice deep breath through your nose, fill up your belly like a balloon, and then exhale slowly. When exhale, let all your thoughts or worries just float away with your breath and feel these benefits of the Hunza tea. This Hunza tea will be create the miracle into your life. And I wish everybody to do this 9 days toxin loss program the way we design and create that magic into your life. God bless you. I love you, all of you. Please follow the schedule religiously. Thank you very much once more. God bless you, everybody. Thank you.